It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,